Respected all, Assalamu alaikum. I am Vakkar and welcome to our simple banking system. This program allows users to create bank accounts, log in, and manage their finances through an easy to use interface. Let's get started. Here is how the program works. Users can create an account by providing a unique account number, username, and password. Once an account is created, users can log in using their credentials. Logged in users can deposit money, withdraw money, check their balance, or log out. If the username is already taken, the system will prompt the user to choose a new one. Successful account creation will store the user's data in CreateAccount.txt file and initialize their balance to 0. After creating an account, users can log in using their username and password. If the credentials are correct, they will be granted access to their account management features. Once logged in, users can add funds to their account by entering the deposit amount. Users can withdraw funds from their account if they have sufficient funds. Users can check their balance and they can also log out their account. Users can deposit any positive amount into their accounts, which updates their balance immediately. Users can also withdraw any amount up to their current balance. The system will prevent overdrafts by rejecting withdrawals that exceed the available balance. After finishing their transactions, users can log out, and their updated balance is saved to the file for future sessions. This simple banking system is a user-friendly tool that stimulates basic banking operations. It's a great starting point for those looking to understand file handling and basic account management in Python. Thank you for your time, and we hope you find this demonstration helpful.